Hi, this is Chinmay and it is giveaway time, and today is going to be a giveaway of Korean K-Beauty skincare. So let me take you right in. So a lot of you K-Beauty junkies based out of India already know about Daisy Skin Fix. She seems to be having a cult following and a lot of you have been getting your K-Beauty fix from her. This girl's name is Pui Pui and she's based out of Mizoram, and she's a woman-owned business, which is why I wanted to be sharing about her story. She started this dream and she had civil services aspiration, but she saw that her heart was in this K-Beauty and she liked skincare. She was not too much into makeup, as she tells me, but she wanted to, she fell in love with Korean skincare, and then she wanted to introduce this to her friends as well, and she started this business called Daisy Skin Fix, which is now daisy.net.in, I presume. So now in collaboration with Daisy Skin Fix, we are giving away a lovely K-Beauty full skincare set, and I think we have about 6 products to be giving away to 2 of you guys. So all that you need to do is, I'm going to be leaving the Instagram link of Daisy down below and her website, so you guys can go follow her and see what you can buy from her. And in addition, just leave a comment. I'm not going to ask you for anything else for myself. So let me tell you quickly what is up for grabs. So there are 6 items in each kit, so 2 of you will be winning this entire set. We have the Lijiham Tea Tree Cleansing Water, Tela Vicos Enzyme Washing Powder, okay, washing powder for the face, not for the clothes, Solan Park Beauty Water 60 ml, or Innisfree Green Tea Mineral Spray Mist, based on the availability at that point in time. Either one of these products will be there, and the Innisfree Green Tea Mineral Spray Mist will be the mini pack. The Secret Key Starting Treatment Essence, the Beauty of Joseon Dynasty Cream, Cosrx Ultimate Nourishing Honey Overnight Spa Mask. So these are the lovely 6 products which will be in both hampers, and I really hope 2 of you can get to use this. Ideally 2 of you who have not used K-Beauty at all, and I really hope some of you can actually be honest. So this will be your, dipping toes into K-Beauty and taking care of your skin, and giving some time and energy for self-love and self-care. In addition, I would request the 2 of you guys to share your experience either via video or maybe a written post or a document or something like that, how you felt about using K-Beauty, to see if the kind of changes that it did on your skin. And it will be really nice to see what your experiences are, what your journey is like using K-Beauty skincare products. So that would be really nice. So if the 2 of you who win this are willing to be sharing this as a video or a vlog or as some sort of a weekly sort of a progress with how you felt about using this and stuff like that, this will be really great. As I told you, this is in collaboration with Daisy Skin Fix, which is run by Pui Pui, based out of Mizoram, and I'm really happy to be supporting her endeavor, her business, and it'll be nice to see her flourish and grow. That's about it. I hope 2 of you have a great time using this skincare hamper, and wishing you only lovely, happy skin and a happy you. Until I see you in my next video, this is Chinmay saying bye-bye.